Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to do Windows 98 finally. It's about damn time I did it. I mean, it was originally going to be episode 6, but that got replaced with Windows 2000 because, well, well, for some reason, Screencast-O-Matic just wanted to be a dick, so yeah. Anyways, we are going to create a new virtual machine and do this one. I'm going to name it Windows 98. And I'm also doing second edition because, uh, they're basically the same. So, booting up. Okay, so, we're going to boot from CD-ROM. Start Windows 98 setup from CD-ROM. Okay, so we're going to configure unallocated disk space. Yes, enable large disk support. Okay, now it's just doing that. Formatting drive C. Setup is preparing to install Windows. Please wait while setup initializes. Alright, there it is. There's the setup. Do C Windows. Typical. Recommended. Computer name. I'm gonna name it fail because I'm pretty sure it's gonna fail because, well, maybe it's been my copy of VMware that's causing the problem. Establishing your location. I'm gonna go with the United States even though I'm in Canada. Start copying files. We're gonna begin. Alright. And I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so now we just click on restart now. Getting ready to run Windows for the first time. Name. We don't really need the company. I accept the agreement. Now we need a product key, and I already got. And this person was the GOAT, and actually included their product key. Like this version of Windows' product key. So just gonna enter that in. Alright. Click. Windows 98 is now initializing its driver database. It's now setting up your hardware and any plug and play devices you may have. And now it's detecting non-plug and play hardware and computer. Caution. This may take a few minutes and may cause your computer to stop responding. If the progress center stops for a long time, there's no disk activity, please restart your computer. And maybe choose state safe mode when prompted. And there we go. Now it's just gonna restart. And you know what? This is where it all goes wrong. Lovely Windows 98 boot screen. I was just doing that. Windows 98 is now setting up your hardware and any plug-and-play devices you may have. Okay, now this is where it all goes wrong. See here? This program is performing an illegal operation. Let's go to details. I have no idea what any of this means. So just read it for yourself. So you can just press OK and it just freezes. So we can, you know what we can do? We can restart it. Just let ScanDisk do its thing. And then just press OK. There we go. It's just restarting again. Okay, now it's just doing that. There we go. Just restart. Ooh. Nice blue desktop. So we can do this. So there we go. Now we're in the middle of emptiness. We could try and restart it. Booting up. Says there's a problem. Ignore that. Press OK. Close. OK. Nothing. Maybe you could boot into safe mode. You know what? You could boot into safe mode. But right now this is just not working. And of course, Explorer is required to display the icons on the desktop. So it's just not working for some reason. And it just does this. So anyways, guys, if you know how to fix this problem, please let me know in the comments. And you could, and maybe like say what the problem is. It could be my copy of VMware. Maybe it's out of date. It could be my processor. It could be anything. So, because I tried this on my Windows 8.1 computer from like 2013, Rest in peace, Windows 8.1, by the way. And like, which that computer is dead, but like years ago, I did the thing, and it actually worked. Like I actually got Windows 98 to boot. So I have no idea what is going on, but we might be able to see what it looked like when I did it. If I don't do it, then like if I don't see the video, then eh. All I could say is I couldn't really find it. I think I deleted it some, like, I don't know. Someday I just deleted it, and little old me didn't know like this could be important for the future. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.